Why does Australia keep flooding? Australia has endured back-to-back La Niña events, and as a result, the landscape is saturated. Dr. Andrew King told The Guardian the earlier events and the latest flooding aren't independent of each other. The ground is just saturated and the dams are full, so if you get more rain, it floods very easily. It doesn't go into the ground as it normally would. Think of it like a sponge. Once it's saturated, it can't hold any more water. Floods are a natural part of Australia's climate, important for some ecosystems and for boosting dam inflows, but they can have severe impacts on people, businesses, and environments. According to CSIRO, climate change will result in more severe flooding. As the climate warms, heavy rainfall events are expected to become more intense, with CSIRO research showing a direct relationship between increasing greenhouse gas concentrations in the atmosphere and an increase in strong El Niño and La Niña events. So now you know.